Some cars whisper about their speed. The Red Bull RB17 doesn't whisper, it screams. It's not beautiful in the classic sense, it's aggressive, a weapon shaped by the wind. Even at a standstill it looks like it's breaking the sound barrier. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of intent. The RB17 blurs the line between Formula One car and spaceship. The cockpit is a tiny bubble, the wheels tucked under arches, the rear wing a monument to downforce. It makes other supercars look like toys. The feeling it gives you is pure adrenaline. You don't just see the RB17, you feel it. Your heart races, your palms sweat, and you can almost hear it shriek. This is what happens when a car is designed with zero compromises. It doesn't care about comfort or practicality, only speed. It's a challenge to the driver. Are you brave enough? This is not a machine for a Sunday drive, it's for breaking lap records and pushing the limits of physics. The RB17 is a proper racing car, somehow allowed to exist in the real world. It dares you to dream bigger, drive harder, and redefine what a car can be. Are you ready to answer its call? To understand the RB17, you need to know Adrian Newey. He's the most successful designer in Formula One history, a genius who bends air to his will. For decades, Newey worked within strict rules, always searching for loopholes and advantages. But he always wondered, what if there were no rules? The RB17 is that answer. Newey, unleashed. Every curve and surface comes straight from his imagination. No marketing committees, no compromises, just pure performance. This is his masterpiece, his legacy, and likely, his final car. All his knowledge, all his experience, distilled into one machine. The RB17 isn't just a hypercar, it's a piece of motorsport history. It's what happens when you give a genius a blank canvas. The result? A work of art that happens to be the fastest thing on four wheels. This is Newey's ultimate statement, and the world will never see its like again. The price? £5 million, before taxes. For that, you could buy a mansion, a jet, or a fleet of Ferraris. But the RB17 isn't about luxury, it's about engineering perfection. You're paying for Adrian Newey's genius, for F1-level research and development. The car is crafted from carbon fiber, titanium, and space-age materials. The engine is bespoke, every component built to the highest standard. Only 50 will ever exist, making it one of the rarest cars on Earth. Ownership is more than a transaction, it's entry into an exclusive club. The price includes a complete ownership experience with support and access no other car offers. Unlike a Bugatti, the RB17 has no luxury trimmings. Every penny is spent on speed. It's the difference between a luxury yacht and a nuclear submarine. Both expensive, but only one is built for a single deadly purpose. This is not just a car, it's an investment, an experience, and a piece of art. The RB17 is for those who demand the absolute best, and are willing to pay for it. It's a statement of intent, not just a price tag, and for the chosen few, it's worth every penny. Why did Red Bull build the RB17? Because Adrian Newey wanted to see what's possible without rules. Formula One regulations are designed to slow cars down, but Newey wanted freedom. Red Bull told him, forget the rulebook, build the fastest two-seat track car in the world. The RB17 isn't for any race series. It exists for its own sake, as the ultimate expression of speed. Free from restrictions, Newey revived banned F1 tech ground effect, active suspension, and more. The result? A car that generates more downforce than it weighs. At speed, it could drive upside down in a tunnel. The RB17 is a technological showcase, a rolling billboard for Red Bull's engineering brilliance. It proves Red Bull is more than an energy drink. They're a cutting-edge tech company. Red Bull Advanced Technologies filled the RB17 with innovations banned elsewhere. This car is their business card, a statement to the world. If you want the most extreme performance, come to us. It cements Red Bull's reputation as fearless innovators. The RB17 is the ultimate marketing tool, proof that they can do what others only dream of. It's not just a car, it's a revolution. And it's a reminder that true progress happens when you throw out the rule book. The RB17 is what happens when you let genius run wild. It's a car built for the love of speed, not for trophies. It's a symbol of what's possible when you refuse to be limited. The RB17 is Red Bull's boldest statement yet, and it's changed the game forever. At the heart of the RB17 is a masterpiece, a naturally aspirated V10. In a world going electric, Red Bull went old school. No turbos, no hybrids, just pure, high-revving power. This V10 makes over 1,000 horsepower and revs to 15,000 RPM, closer to a classic F1 car than anything on the road. The sound? A piercing scream that motorsport fans have missed for years. But there's more. A small electric motor adds another 200 horsepower, for a total of 1,200. The car weighs under 900 kilograms, giving it a power-to-weight ratio better than an F1 car. Acceleration is savage, pin you to your seat, hard to breathe fast. Top speed? Well over 220 miles per hour. Newey chose this engine for purity, instant throttle, no lag, and lightweight construction. The RB17 is a lesson in less is more, simplicity for ultimate performance. Every gram saved means faster cornering, later braking, and more speed everywhere. The V10 is the soul of the car, a celebration of internal combustion at its wildest. It's a defiant roar in a world going silent. The RB17's engine is a love letter to petrolheads. It's not just about numbers, it's about the experience, the sound, the response, the thrill. This is driving at its most visceral. The RB17 is a rocket ship for the track, powered by passion and engineering genius. And it's unlike anything else on Earth. If the engine is the heart, aerodynamics are the RB17's soul. Adrian Newey is the master of airflow, and the RB17 is his ultimate creation. The car's shape sucks it to the track, generating downforce like an invisible giant. Ground effect tunnels under the car create low pressure, literally gluing it to the tarmac. Active aerodynamics let wings and suspension morph on the fly, flattening for speed, popping up to brake. At 150 mph, the RB17 generates more downforce than its own weight. It could drive upside down in a tunnel. This grip lets it corner at fighter jet G-forces. Every element, from the front wing to the diffuser, is shaped by physics, not style. The RB17 is a symphony of airflow, perfected by decades of F1 experience. It's not about looking good, it's about being the fastest. This is form following function, at its most extreme. Expecting luxury? Forget it. Climbing into the RB17 is like entering a fighter jet. Raw carbon fiber, no frills. Every gram is saved for speed. Comfort is an afterthought. 2 seats molded into the chassis put you in the perfect racing position. The steering wheel is a rectangle, packed with buttons and dials. Your command center. Strapped in, you feel every vibration, every roar of the V10 behind your head. There's no sound insulation, no infotainment, no air conditioning, just pure focus. Communication requires a helmet intercom. The noise is deafening. The RB17 is about total immersion, becoming one with the machine. It's not for the faint-hearted or the comfort seeker. This is a racing car, plain and simple. The only place it belongs is the racetrack. Here, stripped of distractions, it's the perfect tool for speed. The RB17 is the ultimate driver's office. Owning an RB17 is a privilege. Only 50 will ever exist, and one is Newey's. You can't just buy one, you have to be invited. Red Bull chooses owners who will use the car, not just collect it. The £5 million price includes a full support package. Red Bull technicians at your track days, just like an F1 driver. You get access to their simulator and driver coaching from the best in the business. This car is far beyond the skill of most drivers. Training is essential. With the RB17, you're not just a customer, you're part of the Red Bull family. Special track events, factory support, and a level of access reserved for pros. It's the ultimate arrive and drive experience. For a true motorsport enthusiast, it's priceless. Where does the RB17 fit? It's not a hypercar, it's too extreme. It's not an F1 car, but in many ways, it's faster and more powerful. The RB17 is a new category, the hyper track car. It sets a new benchmark, pushing the limits further than ever, compared to rivals like the Aston Martin Valkyrie AMR Pro. The RB17 is purer, lighter, and more advanced. It's the ultimate vision of what a track car can be. The RB17 is a celebration of the internal combustion engine, a glorious, screaming V10 in a world going silent. It's Adrian Newey's final word on speed, his legacy in carbon fiber. This car will be legendary for decades. The RB17 is the fastest, most extreme track car ever built, for now. But with minds like Newey's, the pursuit of speed never stops. Maybe there's an RB18 on the horizon, even wilder. The RB17 is today's ultimate, but the quest for speed is endless, and that's the true spirit of motorsport. The future will always be faster.